Gummy channel. Today, we're going to unbox this
4D Gummies blocks build your own jeepney.
Yes, the 4D Gummy Build Your Own Jeepney, and this is from Amos, and Iris we're going to unbox, and Iris, let's see what's inside this box.
First, we have the roadmap, I think.
Yes,
We have instructions here.
it comes with the instructions, step-by-step instruction, how are you going to do the jeepney,
And
of course,
block.
and of course the block. So let's do this now. Finished product, our jeepney from 4D Gummies. Now, this is a very perfect gift this coming Christmas. And this box is available for all leading supermarkets nationwide. So go ahead and check this out now, mga mommies. And this is a very perfect gift this coming Christmas. Again, thank you so much for watching.
Our